Hey, this is Gary G with the In the Valley News. I'm interviewing Tim Brown.
What's up, brother?
Tim, you had a fantastic career. Talk a little bit about it.
It was just a blessing, man. I had some good help along the way with James Lofton, a lot of guys who showed me how to play the game, Marcus Allen. So for me, going out playing the game became easy. That was just going out catching balls and doing what I do. Keep from getting hit. That's what it's all about.
No pain?
Oh, it was a lot of pain, but no pain, no gain. Right? That's what they say.
Right. Tim, talk about being here at the 12th annual Harold Funk Foundation.
I had no idea this thing has been going on that long. I just found out about it about 3 years ago. What the Punks do is just incredible. They're just really good people, and the guys are pretty tough to get away from too. Once they get their claws in you, it's tough to get away from those guys. So, but it's been a blessing to be a part of this and see all the great people that they honor every year. I think it's an incredible thing that they're doing.
Tim, thank you so much for this fantastic interview.
Appreciate you, brother.